Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. The first step, just go to search bar and type here registry editor, and from the search results click here to open it. Select S, and once we are here we need to just go back to the main screen. Just a second. Here it is. So we need to expand the HK local machine, expand this, and then expand the software folder, then scroll down, expand Microsoft folder, and then find out the Windows folder. Keep scrolling down. Here it is. Just expand this. So in the Windows folder we need to right click on the Windows, click on new and select key. So we need to rename it, so right click on it and rename it, then rename it as Windows Update and hit enter. Again right click on it, select new and create a new key in the Windows Update folder and name it as AU and hit enter. Then just select AU folder and on the right side right click on it, select new key and create a new keyboard 32-bit value and name it as NO auto reboot with locked on users, then hit enter. Now right click on it, select modify and change the value data as 1, then click on OK. Now close this window and simply go to the search bar and type here systm.cpl and hit enter. Once we are here, click on advanced options, then click on settings from the startup and recovery section, and make sure we need to uncheck this option. If you are checked, then uncheck it, automatically restart, then click on OK and close this window. So you need to restart the system and problem will be solved. You can also check out the pinned command to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So please check out and don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.